Founded in 2014, Salma Markets prides itself on its international presence and ability to provide account holders with access to highly accurate prices. In fact, Salma Markets works with globally leading liquidity providers, including Barclays, Saxo Bank, CitiBank, HSBC, JP Morgan Chase, Morgan Stanley, and UBS. Above all else, Salma Markets' powerful leverage, various bonuses, minimal fees, and diverse transfer methods position this broker among the very best in the industry. In 2019, Salma Markets built an impressive customer base of more than 900,000 accounts, opened across more than 6 Asian countries: Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, Thailand, and China. The broker's client base in that year came to around 4 million, with more than 60 million orders. Well, joining me now is Annie Luong. She's COO of Salma Markets and has been at the company since the very first day. Welcome, Annie. In a time when a lot of attention has been pulled towards markets and trading, what does Salma Markets offer that no other broker can?
Well, firstly, thank you very much for having me here today. So we Salma Markets offer standard and mini STP accounts. So STP stands for straight through processing, involves sending client order directly to the market without passing them through a dealing desk. So the account works with the deposit term of, $1 spread from zero point 0.2 pips, and we don't charge for any commissions. We also offer swap-free trading experience, as you know, Indonesia and Malaysia, with the two countries with the majorities of population as Muslim. So our standard account type work with Islamic customer with no interest in overnight positions or swap. Some markets give you up, to 1,000 to 1 in buying power, which is really large compared to the rest of industries. 1,000 to 1 is the maximum leverage level, which offer all the traders that have less than $500 in the account.
As we know, trading is sometimes a dangerous and volatile activity. So what sort of support does Salma Markets offer their users in the way of advice and security?
Well, we do advise our customers to chase and manage their portfolios on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. These platforms will give them the access to all the forex pairs and assets that's available on some markets, such as educational tools, indicators, EAs. Whether customers are new to trading or if they have many years of experience, we really do think that MetaTrader platform is the most suitable for them because they, user-friendly supporting features as well as, like the superior tools. And, the beginners can accept tutorial and work one-on-one with the dedicated account managers, whereas the professional traders may set up their own algorithm, utilize a variety of technology or, utilize a variety of technical indicators and receive guidance from the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 customer supporting team if needed. Above all, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 is famous for its highly accurate in price and the immediate execution of order, which adds another layer of protections for traders when the markets become volatile.
You spoke about beginners, Annie, after the events involving GameStop and ongoing interest in cryptocurrency, of course. A lot of new traders are trying their luck at the moment. So what advice would you give to someone who is completely new to trading?
Well, as you know, cryptocurrency has expanding heavily in all aspects of life, and they become accepted in, many different markets. So they start to fulfill the liquidity demands of the market, making them into generally accepted currencies. However, cryptocurrency is highly controversial and unstable, which causing their, values really volatile. They also poorly correlating with other currencies. So it's really challenging to hedge through. There's a few issuers nowadays offering derivatives for balancing the exposures. We also know that cryptocurrency, the most known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, hits its all-time high days after day measures in US dollar. But for us, we seem like the high is here and everybody is talking about it. About cryptocurrencies or GameStop, the first lesson is investing and trading is not the games nor the gamble. It's supposed to be fun. When you're investing right, you get rich slowly. So, we are the gradual process of compounding value. It's the phenomenon that explains why retirement investments work at all. And it takes a long time to make or see the real difference to your bottom line. So we can say it's like do your lesson, research in what you would like to invest or trade. You can earn an average return of about like 10% annually with an investment. If the history is in any indicator, it may not provide the extremely high return as you like, but it minimizes the risk when you arrive to the market late, buy highs, and you are forced to sell low when the trading bubble is no doubt going to burst. This is the unlucky phase of many who bought into GameStop after the rallies was already done. So all we can say is don't try to have fun with the money you cannot afford to lose.
Very good advice. Slow and steady wins the race, I think is what we say. I want to ask you, because we are living in very unique times, how the global pandemic has affected your users' trading habits and how it's actually changed how Salma Markets operates.
Oh, you can see it's like the pandemic literally changed the way we live, the way that we work, and even like after years when it's come to our life, the international community is still dealing with all the uncertainties. Hundreds and hundreds of millions lost their income, and the future remain undecided for many peoples and business around the world. So in the shadow of the looming financial crisis, we were actively looking for the new income channels. Working from homes also has given people time to take the opportunity to make a profit naturally. Forex trading is one of the choices for profitable avenues. So, as you can see, the current bloom in forex trading is remarkable. And the past few months, you can see the massive growth, a month-to-month increase of around like 25 to 50% of in opening account. Last year, we have 220,000 new account open over the period from March to June, and our trading volumes also, grow sharply between March and June, increasing approximately around 300% over these 3 months. Trading markets varies, as some traders may only focus on safe havens, commodities, and currencies, while others try to leverage the opportunities such as the fluctuating demands of the crude oil.
What new products are you releasing this year?
Well, where currently our customer can trade stocks, commodities, and indices through Salma Market. These instruments are exchanged at the CFD contracts, and we have a we also have a precious metal that are traded against US dollars, such as gold or silver. The platform also including those of Australia, Britain, France, Germany, and others alongside major US stock index. Account holders have access for more than 30 major currencies and two Bitcoin pairs like Bitcoin USD and Bitcoin Euro, but we plan to offer Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and around 5 more coins due to their values increasing and their popularity among the traders nowadays.
And your overall strategy for 2021 and how that all fits together?
In 2020, we plan to expand our presence outside of Southeast Asia. So we will, start with the South Asia and the East Asia. The new trading pairs also be added along with the coins that we previously mentioned above to increase the customer trading experience. Sama has been, we are trying to become the broker that the customer can rely on, and we always do. So we will focus and spend more time and capital to improve the technology to give the customer the clarity, simplicity, and transparent. We will also improve ourselves and give them education, choices of financial market, and the better customer service. The customers always our first priority, and we try our best to support them and give them the help that they need. So if anything that the customer needs help with, we are also on hand to assist them straight away. So we work every hours on hours to make the customer trading life easier and offer them the unique trading experience.
Annie Luong, COO of Salma Markets, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.